guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Cash Building System Unlimited and how you need to set goals for your success. One of the most important lessons you can learn about starting a business is that you can't control the amount of money you make, but you can control the amount of effort you put behind it. So if you're looking to start a business like Cash Building System Unlimited, your goal is to have a profitable business, and to do that, you must set goals. It is very important to have those goals written out on a piece of paper so that you can see these goals daily and give yourself a time limit for each goal. So let's break down everything to see how we'll go about doing this. But before we begin, I want you to keep in mind that starting a business is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Don't try and build too fast and stop looking for immediate results. This is not going to happen for us overnight, guys. So my thing is, come in with a mindset that just like with any building, you can't put it up overnight. It's going to take a process to build a foundation, build the walls, and then put on your roof. Once you put that roof on and you bring in the interior, and that's the same thing. It's like you're starting the business, you paid your first amount of money, that's your foundation. You got your stamps, you got your leads, that's your walls. You start mailing out, that is your roof. And then the interior is all the stuff that go inside, which means that's all the money that's going to start coming in for you. So please keep in mind that if you're looking for results in a month, if you're looking to start this business to pay your rent next month, do not sign up for this business because it's not going to happen. Just want you to be realistic and not give out any false hope to anyone. So let's start with the first thing. Write down your goals. You can have this written in a planner. You can put it on a poster board. You can put it on a whiteboard. You want to go over your goals daily. You want to read them in the morning. And you want to read them before you go to bed at night. Another great thing is to have an accountability partner. Have someone that is like-minded, like you, that is going to push you and you're going to push them. I don't have an accountability partner. Reason being is because I don't know too many like-minded people that I surround myself with. I work from home, so I'm not around other people. The other people I work with, like I said, those are the people I work with. I usually don't share things that I'm doing outside up to my job. That's just not good practice. um, you also want to break your goals down into small increments. Like, you know what your end goal is. Now you want to start backwards and start breaking it down so that each week, day, week, and month will add up to your complete goal at the time date that you gave it. Okay? Mark your goal on a calendar. Um, I prefer to mark it on a big calendar where you can X off your days and see how far you've come, see how far you keep going, because then you can see the consistency that um, that you're accomplishing weekly as the weeks go by. You see that you're still going. That's something to give you more motivation, and it helps you to keep going. And it makes you proud of what you're doing. Okay, celebrate each week. Each week is really good for you to celebrate your milestones. If you put out the amount of videos you say you were going to put out, or if you mailed out the amount of postcards you say you were going to mail out, if you went and did more offline marketing where you might have went and put up flyers at high traffic areas. Mark those off. Those should be celebrated weekly. You know, give yourself something, maybe like a nice little charcuterie board with a nice glass of wine, a little bit of jazz, and I mean, celebrate. You know, celebrate that you did this, that you're on your way to building your business. So, guys, if you have any more questions, please comment, like, and subscribe below. Click the link in the description box to get started with the Cash Building System Unlimited. It only costs $50 to start. All the information you need is on my website, or you can sign up by mail as well. And you can still go to the website, click on the button that lets you sign up by mail, print the sheet off, and you can send it in with a money order. See you next time on the next video. Bye, guys.